Hi, in this demo, we're going to show you how fast Factura can code line item invoices and sync it into your accounting system with the document attached. It should take about 2 minutes. So let's get going, shall we? I'm going to upload an invoice from a food vendor with multiple line items on it. This is one way to upload invoices, but again, the most popular way is going to be through having all vendors send all invoices for all locations to the one and only email address for your Factura instance, and Factura will code the location from the invoice address. As you can see, the system is analyzing this invoice and in the process of coding it out using our technology, not outsourced labor. That's why the turnaround time is within a minute. All the work that I've done prior for this same vendor, for example, in mapping all the line items to the GL, are going to go to work for me right now, so I won't have to touch this invoice. I also have my accounting system, in this case, which is NetSuite, but for any accounting system that's modern and cloud-based like Intact, Restaurant 365, or Workday, Microsoft, the speed in getting the invoices over to accounting will be the same. So I've got my vendor Papa John's, and I've got some of these invoices here already in the system. Back to Factura, you can see that the system has coded the invoice already. And looking at this pending review, you can see again that the system has read the invoice address and selected the proper location from the drop-down here. All the items that I have previously mapped to the GL have gone to work for me, so I don't have to do anything with this invoice. It's all coded. It is now reviewed for export. All invoices that are ready for export can be mass selected and synced into accounting, but in this case, I'm just going to send this one over for this $1,003 and some change. That should take less than 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And back over into my vendor record in NetSuite, I'll just refresh this page and show you that the invoice has synced over. And there it is. So the invoice is fully coded, mapped to the GL, also including the document. So I want to point out that we send the actual document over to your accounting system. So when you're drilling through your reports, you have this as a reference. You don't have to log back into Factura to then see the document like you may with other AP tools on the market. We send the actual document over, which is attached to the transaction that is all coded out to the GL from Factura. Thanks a lot for tuning in, and reach out if you have any questions.